Hey, can I get your date of birth? Can I get your date of birth?
What do you want about date of birth first? I'm not asking any questions until your lieutenant comes.
Okay. Right now, the trade game back.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Pat you down real quick.
Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
What?
Back to the bag. What are you saying? What?
Okay. Oh, yup.
On December 29th, 2025, at 7:30 a.m., a driver with an exempt plate tried to lecture police on maritime law and his right to travel. Should officers engage with these sovereign citizen theories or move straight to a tow truck?
Hi there.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you today?
Why do you got your emergency lights on? What's the emergency?
The emergency is your vehicle doesn't have a valid registration.
Yeah, it's private property, registered to the trust, not the QSV's trust. You on record, I'm on record too. There is no reason why this officer, Sanal, should have his emergency lights on, and there's no criminal investigation. I'm a Moon Bay, I'm a Moor, it's documented.
Don't start reaching around.
No, you good, No,
so
my
here's what's
papers.
up.
Go get your white shirt.
No,
Because I'm not a threat to you, go get your white shirt.
No, you don't need to be
I
reaching
requested
around.
for you to go get your white shirt.
I have officers en route. Put your hands on the wheel
I'm
now.
not putting anything
Don't
on
put
the
your hands
wheel.
on the wheel. Do
I'm
it
not
now.
putting anything on the wheel.
That's fine.
If you feel like you're at a threat of your life, you need to quit this job.
You don't need to be
If you
reaching.
feel like you're in a threat of your life, quit the job. Call your white shirt.
Can I get another?
Call your sheriff. I need somebody in honor. Oh yeah, you finna pay me too. Surety bond. Watch this. Watch this. Get your sheriff. You ain't. There's no reason you need to be under arrest. The response ain't over. I'm about to put a lien on you, and I'm about to get your surety bond information. I got a written injunction on the elected sheriff, and we gonna see. Our conversation is done
I'm not
here.
talking. You post up at a pillar.
Our conversation is done here. I'm requesting your white shirt.
Do you have a license?
Nope. Right to travel, passport. You in trouble.
Well, you wanted a response and you got one. So
Yep.
That,
Yeah. Our
so
conversation
are
is
you going to
done.
identify yourself?
I'm a Moor.
All right. Do you have your license?
I'm a national. Yes, I do. I was
No,
reaching.
no,
I was,
you're not
hey,
reaching around for it.
where's the other officer?
You hold on just a second.
No, because he requested for my license, right? Now, under the Fifth Amendment of the Constitution, I don't have to give it to you, but to prove that I'm a Moor and it's been signed off by a judge in Ohio, I'm gonna show you my paperwork and my nationality ID. That shows I got the right to travel. Now you're asking who I am. We got 2 officers here. Now it's 3 on the scene.
All right. So here's what's up. We're going to have you step out of the vehicle, sir. All right?
What's the reason I'm stepping out of the vehicle?
Because
What's the criminal investigation? It's only 2 jurisdictions.
See, here's
Admiralty and maritime.
Are you going to let me talk?
I want to talk to your sheriff. I don't want to talk to you.
All right,
You're not
you're
in
gonna
honor.
Step
Step
out.
out the vehicle. If he pulls me out the vehicle, I will be suing.
So we're going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. If you don't comply, then you're not inclined.
What's the reason that I'm stepping out of the vehicle?
I tried answering and you cut me off.
I don't know.
So here's what's up.
So am I under duress?
You're being detained right now.
Okay, under threat of
For
detaining
this
arrest.
is a legal traffic offense.
Okay.
And I'm legally allowed to have you
Okay,
exit the
hold
vehicle.
on.
Step back here.
Okay, I don't consent to no searches, no seizure.
All right.
I don't consent to
Hold
any
on.
searches.
Just stand right here for me, sir.
Any seizures?
All right. So do you have a social security number?
No, I do not. I got an EIN. I own my birth certificate. It's in my car. Can you go in my backseat and get my paperwork? I'm allowing you.
Giving me the authority to do so.
Yeah, I'm giving you the authority.
you have my
I
paper
consent for
consent.
you to go in my car and get my information on my backseat so I can properly identify.
What side?
The left side.
Okay.
Yep. Notice the fee schedule. I want his shorty, the black suitcase. Thank you. I'm getting this shorty bond information. I'm gonna put a lien on. Yes, sir.
Please do.
No, go ahead and open up. Open it up.
You can bring it back here.
Yeah, you can bring it. I'll open it for you. Now, where's your elected sheriff? I want the white shirt.
He's going to go through that bag.
Okay, yeah, you can open it. No, that's my file. I'm gonna take the paperwork. It's a red folder. And I also need 2 witnesses when your elected sheriff comes. You guys are here witnesses. This is already being recorded.
It is.
Yep, I got a written injunction. I need your shorty bond information too. I want your badge number. There it is, red folder. You can get the blue folder too.
Let's take it all. How about that?
Okay. That's my nationality ID. This is the court order that lets you know I'm not black or African American. I'm a Moorish national, part of the original government, the Moroccan Empire, and it's signed off by a judge. This is my DB8, a Moon Infinite Bay, my free national name. This is my nationality ID to let you know I have the right to travel, and it's filed. This is the Foreign Irrevocable Express Trust, where it clearly states that I am the trustee.
Bill. Okay.
There's a Moroccan government that people call the
I've never heard of the Moroccan government.
Okay, there's the Moroccan government that's called, that you call the Illuminati, which is the pyramid, the all-seeing eye. And then there's the United States Corporation that's on the right side of
What's the Republic?
the Republic for which it stands, with the same pledge of allegiance that you pledge allegiance to. The Republic. We are not in a democracy. This is a republic.
I'm gonna be honest. I really have no idea what you're talking
Okay,
about. So,
okay,
if you explain it, dumb it down a little bit.
Okay,
for
so
me,
the
that
Republic,
makes
there's two governments on the back of a dollar bill.
Okay.
On the back of the dollar bill, which is the Q.V. Trust of Queen Elizabeth, who you took an oath to protect the assets of their trust. My vehicle is not registered. Now we open up the next file. Wait a second. Because this where it gets good. This is where American jurisprudence come in at. My car is not registered to their trust. My car is registered to a private trust. Right, but it's registered to my trust. Private property, I'm the trustee. Now I show you the paperwork.
The debate ended with a tow and multiple citations after the driver was found to be operating with a suspended license. Do you think these rehearsed legal arguments are a valid way to challenge authority, or are they just a shortcut to a trip to jail?
You went not
So
you.
you're David? Are you David?
Oh yes I am. Oh yes I am. Oh
Are
yes
you
I am.
Infinite
Oh
Bay?
yes I am. What does this say, sir? What does this say?
Well, this says
Warship. Right. Watch this. Wait a second. Warship name. David
What's your birth?
has been changed to Moon Infinite Bay Nationality ID card.
Okay.
It is filed in the state of Texas. This Moon Infinite Bay is my well, David, because I own the name, and here's it from the Department of Commerce. The birth certificate, I own my birth certificate. It's no longer registered to your QV's trust.
Yep.
David, what's your date of birth?
Where's your warrant to run my information? Right, but what is okay? What is the traffic
This
stop related
says-
to? What's the violation? It's two jurisdictions, right? So what is his reasoning for stopping me? He said the plates. So it's two jurisdictions. It's Admiralty and Maritime. So if this is a criminal investigation, where's the injured party?
So what made you decide to change your nationality?
The same reason you should do it for your kids. Because I know police, when they get the educated, they're not all the way educated. They only know how to train and protect the assets. You get the American jurisprudence book. Oh, here it is. Hold on. This is the good part. This is the education. I know y'all don't like niggas that read. This will let you know that I'm not a holder in due course of the birth certificate on a state and federal level. I got the full faith and credit. This is my private affidavit of the certificate of live birth. Now, you stated that you never heard of the Moroccan Empire, but here it is right here. That's the same emblem on the back of the dollar bill.
Can I get your date of birth?
What do you want my date of birth for? I'm not answering any question until your lieutenant comes.
Okay. Right now, it's the transcanny bag.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Pat you down real quick.
Oh, go ahead.
What?
Back in his bag. What are you saying? What? Okay.
Oh, yup.
You can put your hands down.
Yeah.
Here's what's up. Getting a citation for your violations today.
Yup.
Alright? You got court next Thursday.
Yup.
Alright?
And your surety bond information is on.
My name's on it. You can get whatever information you need.
Cool.
Alright, you
My
want
phone and stuff is up here?
it's on the hood of the vehicle.
Yep. Now, who's supposed to be towing this vessel?
That information
I'll
will,
get it when they come.
when you come and get your vehicle, just make sure you got your title for it, otherwise we're not going to release it.
Yep, I have the title.
Okay. Hopefully it's in your name, because right now that vehicle is in someone else's name.
No, it's not.
It is.
Okay.
Don't forget your phones.
Yep.
Sounds good. See you in a little bit.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all too enjoy y'all day. I'll not be coming for y'all surety bonds. Y'all did nothing. I will see you.
All right. Sounds good. See you soon.
Following his arrest, the driver's insistence on maritime law failed to hold up in court as the judge dismissed his sovereign citizen filings as legally meritless. Because he was driving on a suspended license, his vehicle was held in impound, eventually being sold at a lien sale after he refused to pay the mounting storage fees. He was found guilty of all traffic citations and sentenced to 12 months of probation, along with mandatory attendance at a driver safety course. Additionally, the court imposed significant fines for the use of the fraudulent exempt plate and the repeated refusal to cooperate with lawful orders. His attempt to bypass state law through pseudo-legal theories ultimately resulted in the permanent loss of his vehicle and a heavily tarnished legal record. This serves as a stark reminder that the right to travel does not exempt anyone from the rules of the road.
Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.